Alright, welcome back to a new video. We're back in the Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. And the first time I have seen that, well, until now it hasn't had too much views, so 3 max, and possibly not that long. I guess I know why, because, well, I introduced myself on the literal home screen of my PC. And due to editing reasons, well, it was an hour, but that's due to all the cutscenes. So let's hope I can minimize the cutscenes. I know how to skip them, but it is important to the story. So anyway, let's just continue. I know I'm not talking a lot, but I mean, what is really to talk about? So anyway, enjoy the video.
Are you taking me?
I
Awful.
was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
I'm sorry, but my audio from my headset, it's very soft. I can barely hear anything. That should do it.
Great! There's a secret right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. A lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Beetles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Ratchet, can you read me? Oh dear, my communicator must be broken.
Of course. Needle wasps! Where's Beetle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
There we go.
And the last Beetle runs into that rift thingy. Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard! The Mort's helper bot! Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
No! Don't hide! Ah!
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Well, hello there! Gotcha!
Oh dear!
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Mort's.
Now if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Mort's! Hup. Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! 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 There's the gelatonium factory.
follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
Alright, let's do this.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax. Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Let's first see if we can get a new weapon.
This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Enemies not getting the point? Hit them over and over again with the ricochet. Buy it while you can, sweet cheeks.
The ricochet is a very good weapon. I have had it in another, well, alright, there's a little explanation. After we made that first video, I did a little bit of, another save, I did a little bit of there, and I'm at the, where the fixer is at.
Feels good to have a pocket full of bolts, huh, honey?
And I have the ricochet there. It's a pretty good weapon, but it's a bit hard for me to actually work with. So let's see. This version only has like what? 5 ammo storage. I know this is a good weapon. Along with, well, let's first get a refuel.
Come on back when you need
I think
more
we should do this
sugar,
one.
sugar. You will be missed, sweet thing.
Let's go.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome!
I'm sorry. I'm a bit done with that cutscene. This is a, I know this game mode already.
Dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
Where are your possibilities? The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, we'll begin to repair the anomaly.
Feel like things are slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking,
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archive. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic.
One more to go.
I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles.
That is the wrong one.
I cannot explain what it is.
The words
There we
will
go.
come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming. Our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time, to focus on what's in front of me.
A few should do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
That's it, Clank! You repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Goodbye, Lado.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
Oh yeah, this is an annoying part. But before we do,
What are we
let me
going to
just
do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
see how much. Okay, it's been 14 minutes. I will try to do this as quickly as possible.
Next stop, hideout.
Because, I mean, it will save me with editing, but also because... Oh, damn. Alright, that was good.
Hi! Sure are one big Glenthor.
Oh, holy.
Hope you have enough ammo.
This will help. Oh, this doesn't work. Oh, it's out of ammo as well. The scatter bomb has still some ammo left.
You're a stubborn Glenthor, too.
Come on, load. Ow.
No more hostiles within range.
Alright, I forgot about that.
Don't tell me, my glove needs an inner...
Scatter bomb is now
A rift
charged.
center, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
Whoa! That was fun!
Point me at the long axe, my dude. You're going down. I'm back in the creek for you. Go! Wind thrower. Why, dude? You're do that.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolts!
I do as well.
Perfect.
Come on, Bridge, seriously? There has to be another way across.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
I may regret suggesting this, but what about the speedle?
What about it? Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Come on. We both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
Oh, I'm always pressed at the wrong button.
And now for my final enemy, Mortz's pressure locks. There! Time to about you.
If only I could.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
Here we go.
Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying, repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
No, dear, no.
Alright, these are the last two pizzas before we end this video. I will explain why soon.
To neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming! Seeker Pete's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down. Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Give me back my robot. Honestly, I am not as...
Backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Please watch your head. Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. Gotta save Bolts. stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it!
Perfect.
Why don't you let me drive that thing?
I hope I can witness your demise. I cannot get enough of this laser. Can you? This is unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship.
Alright, since we're right now here, I have a new plan which also will decrease our shortage on this video, making it easier to watch all the way. So every time I make a video it will be every part. So like our first video was mostly in the nefarious city, so that will be like in those things. So every new planet we go to will be a new video. I hope that will work.
By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya!
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Purple thingies in the sky. Have you ever seen anything like them before? Not since those fireworks at Mort's going away party, but they didn't last more than 5 hours. True. Would have put
This zircon make you a deal.
This weapon is also pretty good. I mean, I said it wasn't as good, but I mean, it still is a good weapon to use. I can use this next time.
See you next time.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoy, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Alright, since this video is now, for me, 30 minutes, which is literally half the length of the other video I had, plus editing. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. I will manual save in this slot. Confirm. Yes, it did. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.